previous video, we have successfully captured that user flag of delivery machine. So in this video, we are going to own that root flag. Here you can see I have already owned that root flag. It is in green color. So we are going to learn step by step process how I found root flag of this machine. Open your terminal. Here we can see we are currently in mail deliverer user. To own our own root flag, we need to exit our privileges to root user. For that, we need to perform some privilege exhalation steps. So first of all, we will list files which are present on our current folder. So simply use command ls to list files. So it is showing user.txt. After pressing pwd, we are currently in /home/mail deliverer folder. So find some juicy files, we can go to slash directory. So simply enter cd slash. So after entering ls, here we can see there are multiple files. So in folder like opt, there are maybe some uh, configuration files like here we can see we got information about mail deliverer user and other things in Mattermost. So we need to find some configuration files of Mattermost. So to find this configuration file, we need to find Mattermost folder. So I think it should be in opt folder. So simply go to opt folder, cd/opt, click on ls. So here is our Mattermost folder. So get into it using cd Mattermost command. After entering ls, you can find its config file. Like WordPress, it should also contain some juicy information. Like in WordPress, wp-config file contains username and password of database. So we can find its database too by entering into this file. So use cd config, click ls. So here is one file, config.json. So just display its content using cat config.json command. Scroll up, we need to find SQL database. So just scroll up to find SQL setting database. Here is SQL setting database. So it is showing our driver name is MySQL and all the other information are like uh, in data source it is showing us user colon crack underscore the admin pwd. So here user is our username and this is our password. So what we can do, we will open your new notepad like Sublime Text Editor. So just copy and paste this credentials into that Sublime. Copy and paste it into Sublime Text Editor. So we need to log into MySQL. For that we will use command MySQL. Thereafter -u for user. Our user is user. And thereafter use -h. -h for host. So our host is 127.0.0.1. It's a localhost IP. We can find it in here. So here we can see it is 127.0.0.1. So we paste it here. Thereafter -p for password and just paste that password here. So our password is crack the admin pwd. So copy paste it in front of p. So if you want to mention port, you can use capital P, but there is default for 3306, so we are not going to use that capital P. So copy and paste that here and enter. We are successfully logged into MySQL. So here we can see there is a MariaDB option available. So we will display its databases using show database command. So there are two databases. First is information schema, it is by default, and another one is Mattermost. So we need to use this Mattermost. So you use command use Mattermost and semicolon. Now we are successfully in Mattermost database, as you can see in front of MariaDB. So show tables of this by using show tables command. Show tables semicolon. Here we can see many tables. there is one table called users. So I think this table should contain information about users and password. So simply select everything from this. To display everything from this, we will use command select star from. Star means all. It will display everything, users and semicolon. Yes, after entering this, we can see this is very unsorted data. We are not able to read anything, and this table is containing username and many things: first name, last password update, email verified, nickname, and here is our password. So we will use these columns of this user table. So for this, we will use command select. Thereafter, mm, not using star, username, comma password from our table name. So our table name is it's not a Mattermost, it's a username. Sorry, it's a users. So remove Mattermost. Select star. Select username, comma password from users, where we need to find root password. So we will use here where username is equal to double inverted comma root and semicolon. So here we can see we have successfully found username root and its password. It is in encrypted format, as it contains as it starts with $2, means it is encrypted in bcrypt format. So we have to decrypt it using hashcat. So first of all, we will copy this, and in new terminal we will go to /home/kali/desktops, means we will go to desktop folder. Okay, and there we will open a new file called hash nano hash. I have enlarged this by pressing Ctrl Shift X. Use nano hash and paste that hash here. Save it by Ctrl O, enter, and then again Ctrl X, exit. Minimize it by Ctrl Shift Z. Yes. As this hash is in bcrypt format, for that we need to set some rules. So we have to generate our word list for this. To generate word list and crack password using hashcat, we need to find some rule. So for that we can visit our web browser too. So I think we will be able to find some hint regarding this password. So simply open your web browser and read internal chat. So here it is saying also, please create a program, help us reusing the same password everywhere, especially those that are a variant of please subscribe. So it is giving a hint to avoid using this please subscribe password variant of. So we will generate word list from this. So simply copy it, open a terminal, create a new file in desktop called nano rule, enlarge it by Ctrl Shift X and use nano to edit that file. Paste that please subscribe here and save it by Ctrl O and exit from Ctrl X. So we have successfully created two files. First is hash and second is rule. So now we will use hashcat to crack this file. So here we are using hashcat -r. We have used -r is for our rule. So our rule, we have set our rule in rule file. For that we used -r. Thereafter we need to set one rule by setting location /share/share/hashcat/rules/best64.rule. So here is our hashcats rule. Then use --, standard output. Then just enter rule. Rule is our file which contains our word please subscribe. Then save this file in wordlist.txt. So it will generate word list from that rule and it will save it in wordlist.txt. So it have generated word list. So simply display it by cat wordlist.txt. Here we can see from that rule it have created multiple passwords. So we will use this word list to crack password of root user. So our next command will be hashcat -m double 3200 -a 0. Thereafter our hash, this is our hash file where we have pasted that uh, encrypted password of root user and mention our word list, and then use -force. Here -force is optional, and we have used 3200 for bcrypt password. This command will decrypt password of bcrypt by hashcat. So simply hit enter when you have done with this. As per your processor, it will take some time to decrypt that password, so I am just forwarding it. We have successfully decrypted that password, so we need to display that password using -show. So just copy last command and just change from force to show and hit enter button. So after entering it, here you can see it is our hash, and at the end after colon we can see our password is please subscribe explanation 21. So this is our password, so copy it and try to log into root user. So just use command su pass switch user root. Now I am in my PC, so I need to go to that deliverer machine. So use Ctrl Shift Z to minimize this. Exit from MariaDB by Ctrl D, and just try to log into root user by su root. Paste that password here by Ctrl Shift V. Yes, here we have successfully logged into root user. To find flag of root user, you can go to /root folder. So use command cd/root. Now use ls. Here you can see here is root.txt. So use command cat root.txt, and we successfully got root flag. So copy this flag, open up your web browser and click on own root and submit that flag here. This is how you can own user as well as root flag of delivery hack the box machine. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you are interested in learning ethical hacking, bug bounty hunting or penetration testing, you can simply enroll into my course. I have given the course link into the description. You can just check it out. Thank you for watching.